Ready for another cute DIY earring? So this time it's going to be the best part of this earring is that you won't need anything from the jewelry kit, neither a jump ring nor a plier. So we will take an old badminton shuttlecock. Don't throw it away from next. You would have seen a wire which comes wrapped around a new set of earphones. So yes, we are going to use that wire, and you can use any stud earring.
So take an old shuttlecock and take out this part. So next I'm going to take a metallic golden acrylic color and a white acrylic color. I'm going to mix these two and then paint it around that part. So this is how it looks. I've put in a safety pin so that we can easily hold it while painting. Taking the copper metallic acrylic color to make some patterns on the cake. It's time for the icing. Looks so delicious. Let's add some pink color to it. Let's add some sprinkles on the top. Make it more yummy, adding some more white icing. Take any bead which has a hole from broken bracelet. So I'm painting it red for adding a cherry on the top. Now time to unwrap your new earphone and take out the wire. So this will help secure the cherry to the top of the cake, and also add a small hoop at the end of the wire so that you can put any stud through. So what did you think about it? It looks so cute, right? Subscribe for more.